Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this really cute pair of earrings. I made one already, so I'm going to show you how I made to make the other one. And what I'm using today is I'm using Victory Gems and Beads. They're gemstones, the Labradorite, and the little turquoise ones, and the silver ones, and these cute little gray tassels. They're so adorable. They sent me a bunch of them, so I have a bunch of ideas, but I really liked this. I made a really pretty necklace in my last video using the Labradorite, the faceted pear-shaped one pendant, and then I used these and them too, these other Labradorite ones. So I decided to make a pair of earrings that can either be worn on their own or you can wear it with the necklace. So this is really easy and it's very lightweight. So let's get started here. So I have a piece of soft touch stainless steel nylon coated wire, and it's 6 inches long. So I'm putting it through the top part here. And I'm just going to connect it here. Let's see, so it's right there. And I get those even there. Then I'm going to take, and I will have the links below in the video of all of the pieces that I'm using. So I used the silver one, the pirate one, and one of the black rondelles. And I'm putting both pieces through. I'm using really thin cord so that I can do this, because if the cord is too thick, it won't work. So let me see here. So then I'm putting that through there. So far I have these 3. Then I'm going to take one of the Labradorite. These are center drilled. And put both pieces. Oop, 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 oop. Don't want to drop these. Let me see here. Okay, there we go. So put that through. So far it looks like this. Then I'm going to take this silver circle and I'm going to put it through so one goes on each side so that it could dangle like this if needed. So when you have it like this, then you keep these 2 pieces together at the top. Then I'm going to use one of the turquoise. Let me get both pieces through. And then I'm going to do the Labradorite. Through. Okay, so I've got, let me see here. So, let's see so far where I'm going. And then when you tighten it up, it'll all go in there. And then I'm doing one more of the turquoise. Get that like that. Okay, so now you have all this, you have this in the center, and then what you want to do is you want to separate these 2 like this and put one through there. So one's on each side, so it connects it like that. So then we're going to go with the silver one. Silver one. I'm going to do a black one, and do that through, and then one more silver one. These are just fun, easy earrings, and they're very lightweight. I actually have a torn earlobe that I need to get fixed, so I haven't been able to wear earrings in years, and I really miss them. I used to wear really heavy earrings, and they tore my earlobe, so I'm really always very conscious of when I make things like this that they're not heavy. Okay, so here it is right here. So then I'm going to take the crimp bead and put it over both of those. So it's going to hang here. Now what I do is I use my circular ones here and I turn them over like this, bend it, and I kind of take my nail and kind of hold it there, kind of feed the wire through. I don't know if you can see this because I'm working on putting it through. And you just kind of keep feeding it through. Let me see where I'm at here. Okay. Where's the other one here? Let me see here. Okay, there they are. Okay, so I at least get it through one of the beads. So then when it's like this, I use the round part of my my pliers here to let me see, let me grab this right here. Okay, so then I use this so that I have an actual measurement because I'm going to get an ear wire through there. So if that looks, so see how I have that little bit in there. So then I can pull that out and you see how I have that little hole. I know that that's perfect for ear wires. And I take my pliers and I squeeze one way and then I squeeze the other way. Get one third one here. There. So see how that's coming up there. Get as close as I can and I trim that. Then I have this right here. So then I take the ear wire, I put it through there. I will say I always find, if there's a way to do something, I'll find an easier way. And I do use these. I know a lot of people use all different instruments. For some reason, I just love my round nose pliers. So, there. And there you have it. A really cute pair of earrings. And these measure, they're all done, they measure, they're 5 inches long. So I will put these up on a bust at the end so you can see how they look. And these beads are just so beautiful from this company. So, and there is, I do have an affiliate link below, victorygemsandbeads.com, discount/BNJewelry10. You can click on that link and then I have a 10% discount code, BNJewelry. So thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. And also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I also have a Facebook, Instagram, and Etsy store links below. I also have the affiliate link to Victory Gems and Beads and my BNJewelry10, which is my discount code. So thank you everybody for watching and I will see you on my next video. Have a great day.